Now we are going to do supine poses. Just lie down in Sawasana and relax the whole body from head to toes. Now bring legs together, hands beside your body, and stretch your arms up. We are going to do Pavan Muktasana. Now raise your right leg up, bend your leg at knee, and interlock fingers on the shin bone. Take a long breath and exhale, head to knees. And relax. One more time, deep breath, inhale. As you exhale, go forward, bring your thigh close to the chest. Inhale and relax. One more time, long breath, inhale. As you exhale, go forward, try to bring nose to knee and stay here for a few seconds. And then slowly come. First release your hands, stretch arm, leg up, and then slowly bring down. Let's do another side, left leg up and bend your leg at knee. Now interlock fingers on the shin bone. First long breath, inhale. As you exhale, go forward, bring knee to nose. Stay a few seconds. Relax. Two more times. Inhale. As you exhale, go forward. Hold your breath outside, few seconds only, 2 to 3 seconds. Then, now last time, take a long breath. As you exhale and stay. So in the final position, you can breathe normally and stay there for 5 to 10 breaths. Slowly come back, release your hands, stretch arm up, leg up, and then down. Bring legs together, stretch the whole body. We'll do another variation. This time we will raise legs together. So keep body straight and lift leg up. Bend your knees, and now bring knees together and lock the fingers. Breathe, inhale. As you exhale, go forward, bringing your chin between the knees. Relax. Again, inhale. As you exhale, go forward and compress the thighs to the chest. Relax. Now last time, long breath. As you exhale, go there. Stay in the posture. In the final pose, you can breathe normally. Stay for 5 to 10 breaths. Release the head. Release your hands. And stretch legs up, relax. So you can just relax the body, legs apart, hands apart. Normalize your breath. Relax the whole body. Now bring legs together, hands up, and bend your knees and bring your hands just beside your buttocks. We are going to do Setu Bandhasana, bridge pose. Push hips up, lift body up, and relax. So on the inhalation, lift your body. On the inhalation, push your hips, push your buttocks up. And as you exhale, then come down. Long breathe, and then you can grab your ankles, and let's try with the grabbing ankles. Inhale and push hips. Stay there for as long as you feel comfortable. You can breathe normally in the final position. The second variation you can do, bringing hands just behind the hips. And stay there. Keep pushing hips up. Mentally you have to squeeze the buttocks. And breathe normally. This is the third variation, stretching legs, straightening them. Bit challenging. You can stay there for as long as you feel comfortable. While coming back, come back to the prior position and then releasing hips. This is very good for the lower back pain. And relax in Sawasana. Relaxing the whole body. Normalize your breath. Now bring legs together again, hands beside your body. We'll do the next posture, which is the spinal twist. So bring right leg up, bring foot on the left thigh, just behind the kneecap. And with your left hand, hold the right knee. Inhale. As you exhale, you are going to twist your body. And look in the opposite side. This is the spinal twist. Feel the twist in spine. Slowly come back. Release your hand and then stretch leg up and relax. Let's do other side. Bring your left leg up and bring the left foot on the right thigh behind the knee. Not on the knee, on the thigh. With the right hand, hold the knee, inhale. As you exhale, twist. Feel the twist in the spinal cord. It releases tension from the spine. So very good exercise. And slowly come back. Release your hand, release the leg up and then relax. Stretch arms up, stretch the whole body. And relax in Sawasana for a few seconds. Normalizing your breath. Let's do another posture. Shoulder stand. Raise legs up. Lift hips up and then support your body with your hands. This is Sarvangasana, the shoulder stand. So your hands will be on the lower back. And keep your legs straight. Feel the press in the throat. Bring left leg down, stretch. This is a variation. You can stretch your leg one by one. So you are bringing your one leg on the floor behind the head. And then on the other side, stretching your legs and keeping your legs straight. Stay there for as long as you feel comfortable. You can hold your posture according to breath. Straighten legs. Now we will try to both legs on the floor. So keep your legs straight and then slowly bring legs on the floor behind the head. Interlock your fingers and straighten the elbows. So you're stretching your arms, stretching legs. This is Plough pose, Halasana. While coming back slowly, vertebra by vertebra, without lifting head. And bring body and legs slowly down. Again relax in Sawasana for a few seconds. Let your breath come to normal. Now bring legs together. We will do the next posture. The fist pose. Bring arms up. Bend elbows, hands beside head, and lift the upper back and head. So bringing the head on the floor and hands on your thighs. Stay here for a few seconds. Be careful with the neck. If you feel pain in the neck, you can come back. Press palm and release head, slowly come. So if you have any neck injury, then you should avoid this pose. Now bring legs together. We are going to do the wheel pose. Stretch arms up. Bend your legs at knee. Now bend elbows and bring your palms beside the head, beside your face. Take a long breath. Inhale. Push palms firmly on the floor, and then you are going to lift the hips up. Yes. Inhale, hips up, and then lift the body up. Trying to stretch your arm. And keep pushing your buttocks high, keep pushing hips up. Open the chest. You can lose your neck. Keep pushing hips up. Feel stretch and slowly come back. Again, relax your back. This is very good for strengthening your spine, strengthening the back. This is called a wheel pose, the Chakrasana. Let's do it one more time. So when you lift, first inhale, long breath, and then lift the buttocks up, and then upper back and head up. As you come to the final position, you can exhale and breathe normally in the final position. So stay in this pose for as long as you feel comfortable. So feet are apart, hands are open. Slowly come back. So you stay in the pose for as long as you feel comfortable, and then you can come back anytime. Relax in Sawasana, relax the spine. Just let your breath become normal. Now bring your legs together and stretch arms up. Stretching the body, we are going to do Udarakarsana, the abdominal twist. So bending knees, feet apart, and twist the knees. As you inhale, come center. As you exhale, twist. So this is the abdominal twist pose. Inhale, come to the center. As you exhale, twist. So your hands are wide open, and continue doing this. Just relaxing the abdomen. This relaxes your spine as well. So you can also do it in another way, like hands under head and then relax. This is just a variation, and hold the posture to feel more twist. Slowly release legs, stretch arms and release legs. Now bend your legs. We are going to do rocking, rock and roll. So first rock your body. This massage your spinal cord, the entire back. Just rocking up and down. Now roll left and right. Rolling helps massaging the back, your arms. This exercise you do before going to Sawasana. So this is the last exercise before lying down in Sawasana. So relax, loose the tension from the body, from arms, from legs, and lie down in Sawasana. So you should rest in Sawasana at least 5 to 10 minutes. So this is the last posture. And relax.